ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 281. पूर्व पक्ष had said, if devatas can create vigna for brahma jnanam, devatas can create vigna for any abhyudaya nishreyasa. This was the question. So what is said here, see, पूर्व पक्ष creates question. Siddhant is giving vikalpana in टीका. किमिदम् अवैदिकस्य चोद्यं किं वा वैदिकस्य इति विकल्प्य आद्यं दूषयति. चोद्यं प्रश्नः. दिस प्रश्न इज अवैदिकस्य किं वा वैदिकस्य. अवैदिक में चार्वाक here. Is somebody who does not have Veda Pramanyam, such person is asking a question, or the one who has Veda Pramanyam, such person thinks that Devata can create Vigna in Abhyudaya Nishreyasa. Iti vikalpya adyam dushayati. Na. Sarva padarthanam niyat nimittopadanat जगद वैचित्र्य दर्शनाच न आद्यम. आद्यम मीन्स अवैदिक पक्ष. दिस कैनॉट बी द थिंकिंग ऑफ अवैदिक बिकॉज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल they give reality to only what is pratyaksha pramanam. Charvak has only one pramana, pratyaksha, where devata and devata creating vigna for your adrishta, they don't have this paksha at all. So this is not valid for them, number one. Second, sarva padarthana niyat nimitta upadanat. Avaidika darshana does not accept that there is this jagat vaichitriya because of something beyond pratyaksha. Avaidikas means charvak only. But here we have to take only charvak. Jain Bauddha darshan, if you take, they accept karma siddhanta, which is going to be the next one. So here स्वभाववादीन 6 नंबर टिप्पणी स्वभावादेव सर्वं जायते इति स्वभाववादिनः. So everything is not swabhava. Why? Because niyata nimitta upadanat. Everything has niyata nimittam cha upadanam cha iti nimitta upadane karane. Everything has niyamit rupena nimitta and upadana karana. For ghata, niyamit rupena mrittika is upadanam. Like that. Jagat vaichitre darshanacha. Jagat vaichitre is there. Tika. Drishtanta is given. दध्यादि उत्पिपादयिषया दुग्धादावादान दर्शनात्. दुग्धादि आदान दर्शनात् प्राणिनां सुख दुःखादि तारतम्य दृष्टेः स्वभाववादे च नियत निमित्तादान वैचित्र दर्शनयोः अनुपपत्तेस्. तदयोगात् कर्मफलम जगदेष्टव्यम इत्यर्थः. टू क्रिएट दधि, दध्यादि उत्पिपादयिषया, उत्पिपाद उत्पिपादयिषा means
उत्पत्तिमिच्छा.
उत्पत्ति. हाँ, उत्पत्ति में इच्छा इज नॉट करेक्ट. व्युत्पत्ति उत्पादयितुम इच्छा, उत्पिपादयिषा. उत्पादयितुम इच्छा. So for that, dugdhadi adana, because its upadana karana is going to be dugdham. In other words, niyat upadana karan is required. Dugdhadi adana darshanat प्राणिनां सुख दुखादि तारतम्य दृष्टेः, and for all jivas sukha dukhadi taratamya is there. Somebody has greater sukham, somebody has lesser sukham. Somebody has greater dukkham, somebody has lesser. So swabhavvada, that why somebody dukhi? Oh, it is swabhava of that person. Why somebody is dukhi or sukhi, whatever, swabhava of that person. Agni, Jal, Vayu, Prithvi, they have swabhava. You can say that why Agni is Ushna or Swabhavatvat. Why Jalam is Shitam? Swabhavatvat. But you cannot say this person is always crying and complaining and suffering. Why? Swabhavatvat is okay, but that is because something else is also there. This Swabhava can change. Somebody is always happy. What is the Lakshana for Manasa Tapa? Mana Prasada, Saumyatvam, Sthairiyam, Atmavinigраha, Bhava Samshuddhirityetad, Tapo Manasam Uchyate. They have done Manas Tapa. That's why you see Mana Prasada. That's why you see Saumyatvam. It is the parinama of some tapaha, some karma. So a person who has done this, you will see that in that person. Mana prasada is there, saumyatvam is there, maunam, atma vinigraha. Atma means antakarana nigraha. Bhava samshuddhi. Manas tapa is done. So it is not swabhava. That is the swabhava of that person. It is not like that. सुख दुखादि तारतम्य दृष्टे स्वभाववादे च नियत निमित्त आदान वैचित्र्य दर्शनयोः. In स्वभाववाद, this will not be the case. And नियत निमित्त आदान, आदान means उपादान कारण, वैचित्र्य दर्शनयोः अनुपपत्तेः. In स्वभाववाद, नियत निमित्त कारण उपादान कारण is not there. For Vaichitrya Darshanam, these two being the karana, that they don't accept. For everything we do karana mimamsa, some karanam is there. Anupapattes. Tad ayogat karma phalam jagad eshtavyam. Therefore, swabhavavada is not correct. Tad ayogat means swabhavavada ayogat. See, it's given in 7 number tippani, swabhavavadasya ayuktatvat. Karma phalam jagat eshtavyam ityartha. Therefore, what is jagat? Karma phalam. Now, Vaidik Mata, Dvitiyam Pratyaha. In Bhashya, Swabhava Paksha cha tad ubhaya anupapatte. In Swabhava Paksha, Niyata Nimitta Upadanam is not there. Jagat Vaichitriya as the Hetu. Jagat Vaichitriya's Hetu as Niyata Nimitta Upadanam they are not there for Swabhava Paksha. So they will not be able to explain why things are like this. A Vaidika will immediately know what is there, what is missing. Because Karya Karana Mimamsa is done by a Vaidika. Vaidika person, I was listening to something very beautiful. It is said, who is a Vaidika? How Vaidika person stands out from Avaidikas. It was in the context of other religions also. This person said, because Vaidika has a different kind of thinking. It is not based on some book. It is not based on some person. His thinking is, if I am Manushya now, something has happened in the past because of which I am Manushya now. And if I continue to do something good, then I can become Manushya later also. In other words, he immediately thinks as there is some karana because of which this karya is there. Then this is the karana for which further karya will happen. So a Vaidika, he is not this Swabhavavadi or not limited to some individual saying this is what you do, etc. or not some grantha. He is a thinker fundamentally. This is a Vaidika. It was very good. One point, but it was how it distinguishes all other darshanikas and dharmas, religions from Vaidika. द्वितीयं प्रत्याह सुख दुःखादि फल निमित्तं कर्म इति एतस्मिन् पक्षे स्थिते वेद स्मृति न्याय लोक परिगृहीते देवेश्वर कालः तावन् न कर्म फल विपर्यास कर्तारः सुख दुःखादि फल निमित्तं कर्म सुख दुःखादीनां फलम और सुख दुःखादि फलम सुख दुःखादि फल निमित्तम यस्य तत्कर्म सुख दुःखादि फल सुख दुःखादि फलम सुख दुःखादि फलानाम निमित्तम दैट वे यू विल हैव टू डू सुख दुःखादि इज द फलम सुख दुःखादि एव फलम तेषाम निमित्तम कर्म their nimitta is means their nimitta karana is karma sukha dukha they are coming because of some karma. This is the mukta paksha now, dvitiya vikalpa iti etasmin pakshe sthite veda smriti nyaya loka parigrihite. Veda means shruti, shruti smriti nyaya loka, whatever is the laukika siddhi laukika vyapti परिगृहीते देव ईश्वर काल स्थावत न कर्म फल विपर्यास कर्तारः. देवता ईश्वर काल none of them they can do कर्म फल विपर्यास. न कर्म फल विपर्यास कर्तारः means they cannot change your कर्म फल. कर्म फल will come. This is the Dvitiya Paksha. This is Vaidika Paksha. So we would like somebody changes my all negative thing, Bhagwan. Bhagwan says, I will give you opportunity to do more tapas. Like when we get sick, so what should be our attitude? Otherwise, I would not have done any tapas. So now I am forced to do tapas. Like it came in today's Brahadaranyaka in the morning. न कर्मफल विपर्यास करता रहा। टीका कर्म हैव इत्याद्या श्रुति ही तद ऊचतु। कर्म हैव इत्याद्या श्रुति ही आदिपदेन पुण्यो वै पुण्येन कर्मणा पापो वै पापेन इत्यादि। एंड कर्मणा बध्यते जंतु इत्याद्या स्मृति ही। दिस स्मृति इज गिवन इन 10 नंबर टिप्पणी। कर्मणा बध्यते जंतु विद्या च विमुच्यते तस्मात् कर्म न कुर्वन्ति यतयः पारदर्शिनः इति स्मृति शेषः। जगद वैचित्र्य अनुपपत्तिश्च न्यायः। एंड व्हाट इज द युक्ति? जगद वैचित्र्य अनुपपत्ति। If everything was only swabhava, then you will find manushas having similar swabhava. Like Agni has same swabhava, whether it is inside your house, outside your house, in kutia, in somewhere, anywhere. So if Agni has samana swabhava, Jal has samana swabhava, Manushya would have samana swabhava. Like we say, all Pashus have samana swabhava. All Pashus means all Vyagra will have samana swabhava. So all Manushas also should have samana swabhava. But it is not. Therefore, karma is hetu. So Jagad Vaichitrya is there because of karma. कथम एतावता देवादीनां कर्मफले विघ्न कर्तृत्व अभावस तत्र। The question was devatas will create vigna for manusya in attaining karma phalam. So Purvapakshi is asking that question again. Etavata devadinam karma phale vigna kartritva abhava katham. How do you say devatas are not capable of creating vigna in karma phalam? So what is Siddhanta? Karma phalam will come. First understand Siddhanta, then we will see the Pankti. If it is your karma, karma phalam will come. Then what is the role of Devata, Kala, Ishvara, Graha, whatever you call? All of them, they will become nimitta to give karma phalam. If I have to get sukham through my karma, Devata will become karaka. Other manushya or pashu will become karaka. For example, if I have done some papa karma and I have to go through some suffering, dukkham, and that dukkham can come in the form of dogs chasing me. If a dog chases me and I fell down and break my bone, let us say. Dog is nimitta, he's a karaka. Getting angry on that dog is not going to help. That is what is said here now. See. Bhashya. Karmanam कांक्षित कारकत्वात्. Karma expects karaka to give result. कांक्षित कारकत्वम कर्मणाम. टीका कथं हेतु सिद्धिरित्याशंक्य कर्मणः स्वोत्पत्तौ देवादि अपेक्षां व्यतिरेक मुखेन दर्शयति. कर्मणः स्व उत्पत्तौ देवादि अपेक्षां दर्शयति. For karma to give its result, sukha dukha, Devadi apeksha is there. Vyatireka mukhena means by its nisheda. If such karaka is not there, sukha dukha will not come. कर्म ही भाष्य कर्म ही शुभाशुभम पुरुषाणाम देव काल ईश्वरादि कारकम अनपेक्ष्य न आत्मानं प्रतिलभते. कर्म ही शुभाशुभम पुरुषाणाम देव काल ईश्वरादि कारकम अनपेक्ष्य आत्मानं न प्रतिलभते. देव काल ईश्वरादि कारकम अनपेक्ष, विदाउट एक्सपेक्टिंग देवता काल ईश्वर एक्सेट्रा कारक, कर्म के नॉट कम टू ए जीव. आत्मानम मीन जीवात्मानम प्रति न लभते. So that karma which is shubha shubham, it expects that deva kala ishwaradi karakam are there to come to jivatma. Double negative is there. Karakam anapeksha na atmanam pratilabhate means कारकम अपेक्षा एव आत्मानं प्रतिलभते. पुरुषाणाम प्रतिलभते. हाँ, पुरुषाणाम इफ यू टेक एज जीवात्मा, देन आत्मानं कर्म, then atmanam pratilabhate means it makes itself available. Karma will express, karma will manifest. Atmanam pratilabhate. Anapeksha na pratilabhate. स्वफले अपि तस्य तत् सापेक्षत्वम अस्ति इत्याह. स्वफले अपि तस्य तत् सापेक्षत्वम, तस्य कर्मणः तत् सापेक्षत्वम, सापेक्षत्वम means कारक सापेक्षत्वम. Some karaka is required. If I have to become happy, somebody will give me something. In Bhojan will be there, Bhandara will be there, Dakshina will be there, I will be happy. So that Sukham comes from somebody. Somebody becomes Nimitta. They are only a Karaka. But what is coming is Karma Phala. लब्धात्मकमपि फलदाने, इन भाष्य लब्धात्मकमपि फलदाने असमर्थम. It is लब्धात्मकम, लब्धो लब्ध आत्मा, आत्मा मीन्स स्वरूपम, लब्ध आत्मा स्वरूपम यस्य तत्कर्म लब्धात्मकम, लब्धात्मकमपि कर्म फलदाने असमर्थम. Karma is there, karma is ready, it is yours to give result. By itself it will not give. Some nimitta has to happen. For sthula vyakti, that nimitta has to be some bhautika vastu. For those who are uchchakoti sadhakas, for them the nimitta will be only a sukhakar vritti based on some samskara or jnanam. And they will be happy just wherever they are. Let's say they sat down somewhere, mana is prasanna, and suddenly they are so sukhi. Idam padabadha, aham padabadha, jagrat swapna shushupti avastha, nothing matters to them suddenly. So that punya karma is giving phalam. Whatever adhyanam they have done or something they have read, it just comes back to them. But this is only for Uchchakoti. For everybody else, Karma by itself will not produce vritti. Some nimitta is there required. Somebody gives some sweet, you eat that, sukhakar vritti will come. So that has become nimitta. Some karaka is there, etc., etc. So dukkham also, opposite means on their own.
It has to come from outside or nothing outside.
For Ucha Koti, even if something comes from outside, the dukkham may be very less. But for others, on their own, something they will remember, something 7 years back this happened, and they will start without any reason. So that is also possible. In other words, that papa karma is there to give you suffering. You like it or not, now is the time. So it will happen. Good point. निष्पन्नम अपि कर्म पूर्वोक्तम कारकम अनपेक्ष्य स्वफलदाने शक्तम न भवति इत्यर्थ. निष्पन्नम अपि कर्म, निष्पादितम, it is all accomplished, ready. पूर्वोक्तम कारकम अनपेक्ष्य, पूर्वोक्त कारक means देव काल ईश्वर इत्यादि. स्वफलदाने न शक्तम भवति इत्यर्थ. So at least these are there. Kala, karma, kala, Ishvara, Devata. No other sthula nimitta is there, still these are there. Karma pradhana, Vishwakari Rakha, that is this now. Karma prakarana is. And in that, somebody will say, Kalahi karma hi, their karma is also given. Kalahi karma hi Ishvara hi mithya dosa lagai. But karma means that it is not my karma, somebody did something, that's why I am suffering, like that. But it is your karma only. कर्मणः स्व उत्पत्तौ स्वफले च कारक सापेक्षत्वे हेतुम आह. Karma for its utpatti and its phalam, both requires karaka. Swa utpattau स्वफले च कारक सापेक्षत्वे हेतुमाह. क्रियाया ही कारकादि अनेक निमित्तोपादान स्वाभाव्यात्. क्रियायाः ही कारकादि अनेक निमित्त. फॉर एनी क्रिया कारकादि अनेक निमित्त उपादान is required. Some nimitta karan has to be there, some upadana karan has to be there, then only kriya will happen. टीका. कारकादीनाम अनेकेषां निमित्तानां उपादानेन स्वभावो निष्पद्यते यस्याः सा तथोक्ता. कारकादीनां अनेकेषां निमित्तानां उपादानेन स्वभावो निष्पद्यते यस्याः सा कारकादि अनेक निमित्तोपादान स्वभावा. सा समास इज फॉर कारकादि अनेक निमित्तोपादान स्वभावा. तस्य भावः स्वाभाव्यम. That is given. तस्य भावः कारकादि अनेक निमित्तोपादान स्वाभाव्यम. क्रिया इज स्त्रीलिंग. सा क्रिया यस्याः सा का क्रियायाः स्वभाव. तस्माद् उभयत्र परतंत्रम कर्म. उभयत्र
स्व उत्पत्तो स्वफलदाने
is given in 14 number tippani. It's good, you can read that. Swautpattau swaphaladane cha. In other words, Kriya in its utpatti and its phaladanam requires karaka. Some nimit, so everybody is nimit. Ishvara, Devata and Kala, etc. Kala means graha. The Jyotish Shastra, if you go to Jyotishi, आपका तो भाई काल ठीक नहीं चल रहा है. They will start with, they see only Kala. Kala, Rahu, Ketu, Kala, ityadi, ityadi. And for a bhakta or somebody who has astha in Ishvara, Ishvara Anugraha will make everything. And if dukha is there, Ishvara Prasada. You take it this way. Bhagavan is giving some prasadi. Bhagavan wants me to slowly withdraw from here, withdraw from here. Bhagavan says, for a bhakta, how he or she should think. Dukkham will come. How that person should think. See, Bhagavan wants me to understand, other than Bhagavan, nobody else can give sukham. My sharira also cannot give sukham. My mana also, what to talk of anything outside. So I should surrender to Bhagavan. Sharanagati. This is bhakta's thinking. Whichever way you think, those who are in puja, karma, etc., or devata, they will think, I have to make this devata happy, that devata happy. Devadinam karmapekshita karakatve phalitam aha. Devatas, if they are karma apekshita karaka, then what is the result? Tasmat kriyanuguna hi deveshwaradayah iti karmasu tavan na phala prapti prati avisrambha. Avisrambha? हाँ, avisrambha, avishwasah. Yesterday we saw. उसको भी क्रियानुगुणा ही देवेश्वरादयः. Deva, Ishvara Adi, they are Kriya Anuguna. They will follow your Kriya. Whatever is your Kriya, accordingly they will do. Iti karmasu tavat na phala prapti prati avisrambha, avishwasaha. Na. Karma is there, phala will come. In other words, devatas, they cannot stop your good karma phalam. Ishwar also, why would Ishwar? See, people think, Ishwar should change somebody's prarabdha or something. If Ishwar wanted to do something, he would do it for anybody. Why he would say, this person is suffering, I should change his prarabdha. But that person is suffering, let that person suffer. So Bhagavan will not say like that. If Ishwar interferes in anybody's prarabdha, he can interfere in everybody's prarabdha, and he should. If somebody is doing good karma, they are getting the result of their karma, not because Ishvara is favoring them. So Ishvara is sadharan karana. Ishvara anugraha will be, your attitude will change for everything. Not that it is Ishvara anugraha. Means how you will look at it. Instead of saying that I did and my karma is giving the result, Ishvara anugraha, this bhava will reduce your ahankara. That's why those who are karmi and bhakta, the bheda between karmi and bhakta is, karmi says, I am getting everything because of my karma only. And bhakta will say, I am getting everything because of Ishvara kripa. So ahankar will not increase. This is the mukhya bheda. Yes.
So then
Ishwar Kripa is there is no doubt.
this Atvara will be for Stuti of Ahankara.
Nivritti. Further in Tika. Itopi कर्म फले ना विश्रम्भो अस्ति इत्याह. For this reason also in karma phala avishwasa is not there. Means vishwasa will be there. Why? Karmanam api yesham vashanugatvam क्वचित स्व सामर्थ्यस्य अप्रणोद्यत्वात्. कर्मणाम अपि येषां वशानुगत्वम्. येषां देवादीनां. सो देवादयः वशानुगाः. देवतास् दे आर वशानुगाः. तेषां वशानुगत्वं कर्मणां क्वचित स्व सामर्थ्यस्य अप्रणोद्यत्वात्. So if devatas are doing some vigna towards karma, karmanam devadinam vashanugatvam, means if karmas are giving results under the control of devatas, then क्वचित स्व सामर्थ्यस्य अप्रणोद्यत्वात्. अप्रणोद्य प्रणोद. प्रणोद शब्द इज प्र उपसर्ग पूर्वक उणुद प्रेरणे धातु घय प्रत्यय ल्यबंत रूप प्रणोद्य. So their vigna karanam towards the karma phala is also because of karma phala samarthya. Apranodyatva means you cannot obstruct. Swa samarthya, karma samarthya you cannot obstruct. Second number tippani, vastugat shakter durvaratvat. Devatas have to do their work. Like Yamacharya, for example, not as Acharya, as Mrityu Devata. They have to give danda to someone, Mrityu danda. They will come on time. Nobody can say Mrityu Devata is like this, that, if you like it or not. And in case when somebody says, no, I want Mrityu earlier, he says, your time is not up yet, you will have to stay there. But I don't like you, whether you like it or not, you stay there now. So it is like that. Tika. Eshan devadinam kvachin vigna lakshane karye karmanam vashavartitvam eshtavyam prani karmapeksham antarena vigna karane ati prasangat ato anyatrapi sarvatra tesham tadapeksha vachya ityartha. Esham devadinam kvachid vigna lakshane. Sometimes if they have vigna, karye karmanam vashavartitvam eshtavyam. Devatas are karma vashavarti. Prani karma apeksham antarena vigna karane. Ati prasangat ato anyatrapi sarvatra tesham tadapeksha vachya. Without prani karma, if they do vigna, then they will do anytime anything. So that will never happen. Tadapeksha, karma apeksha is there. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. One more thing. So in yesterday, some question was raised about page number 278. Mahavirya, fourth line in Bhashya. Mahaviryascha chana api abhutyai abhavanaya. So I saw the mantra as it is given in Kailash Ashram book, it is there in Mantra Bhushram. And this Bhashya, how it is given, and the mantra, how it is given, Bade Maharaj book has the same thing. Means Bhagavan Bhashyakar has just taken the na. In the mantra, there are two nas. One na he has put with chana, and the another na with neshate. Abhavanaya, abhutyai, abhavanaya, brahma sarva bhavasya, na ishate. Na paryaptaha kimutanya. So it is proper. There is no discrepancy. Okay. Om.